This washing machine takes water very slowly, and sometimes it does not. This is what the customer has complained to us. Let's start the washing machine to check it. I will select the Kurs 60, which is written in German and means short 60. I will press the start button. The washing machine has started to work. The door lock has locked the door. The washing machine drum is rotating, and it just took this much water in just an hour, which is too little. The detergent drawer of this washing machine is too soapy. The water is coming out really slowly from the drawer. This is a big fault. In some modes, washing machines need a faster water supply. The water timing is important because if in the given time period the washing machine does not take water, it stops working. The video you saw before was in my workshop. This video is in the customer's house, where we brought it from to our workshop for fixing it. The first thing is that this washing machine is installed really badly. An elbow is attached with a water inlet valve, and a pipe is mounted on it, which is totally wrong. The drain pipe was completely bent in the customer's home. I have straightened it with my hand. It has this additional fault. As I showed you, hose fitting is done wrong. The downside is that it's shaking here. Due to this, slowly, the solenoid valve is getting cracked but still working. It is possible that if it keeps shaking, it could eventually tear in half. I have now removed the elbow and the nipple from the washing machine. Only 2 threads of elbow were tightened with the water inlet valve. This will cause the water to leak at some point. Now, after opening the elbow, see what I found. Its filter is completely choked with molds. This is why the water flow will get weak in the washing machine. I will remove the filter from the water inlet valve, and I am using a plier to do it. It is completely choked. Now, this is the same filter that I showed you before. After cleaning it, it looks something like this. Now, after cleaning the filter, let's check the washing machine. I will open the detergent drawer. I have cleaned the drawer. Now the water flow is better than before. The water is now flowing from the other side of the drawer. But before, the water was not able to flow properly. The water is now flowing quite fast. Now, after fixing it, I am testing it out without adding the clothes to it. The 25-minute program is left. The program of washing has been completed. The washing machine is now working on rinse function. And now, after sometimes it has started to work on spin mode. Only 6 minutes are left before the complete program ends. The 54-minute program has worked in the washing machine. I also tested the washing machine after adding some clothes into it. It was cleaning the clothes nicely, and it made no problem while taking water. This means this washing machine water not taking problem has been fixed. If you are willing to support the channel, you can buy me coffee. For that, visit Patreon. Click on the left or right thumbnail to watch our next videos. And subscribe. Thank you.